Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted single tooth cap that we just had done for a customer. This is 925 sterling silver, and as you can see, it's nicely iced with, these are CZ stones, hand set. Beautiful cap, guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check the link in the description, takes you right to the product link. You choose the tooth that you want it to go on. It's real silver, guys, 92.5% pure silver, nicely micro-paved, hand set CZ stones. Check that out. Alright guys, there it is. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.